Good morning, everyone. Sairam. This is Ishika. I'm your class teacher. Today, I will start lesson from maths in chapter number 3, that is addition. We have done prior also. Addition is the process in which we put things together, we count them and add them. Here we have different examples. Uh, in this picture, you can see 3 eraser and pencils also. First of all, we start counting eraser 1, 2 and 3. Then pencils 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we want to count them, total number of things here, what we have to do? We have to add them. This is the sign of add. Plus. Plus is the sign of addition. Okay. So let's start. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, children? In the next picture, we have fruits here, that is mangoes and apples. Let's count mangoes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now apples. 1, 2, 3. Now what is the total number of fruits here? Let's count them with the help of addition. This is plus sign. So how do we read these numbers? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Children, you can count numbers on your fingers also. I will tell you how to do it. Let's start. So children, this is your hand. I'm just give you example how to count numbers on your hands. Okay, children, on our fingers we have these type of lines. Okay, it is thumb. So on thumb there are 2 lines, and there are 3 lines in each finger except thumb. So what you have to do? You have to count these numbers on your fingers line. Okay, suppose there is 2 plus 3. Okay, or 2 plus 3. Children, this addition, the sum will be represented by 2 way. This is first method, first way, or this is the second. Okay, in these 2 types, in these 2 ways, you get your sums. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, I will tell you how to do it. Wait. Children, in the finger, suppose there is 2 plus 3 is equal to what? So here we have to add 2 and 3. So how do we start? First of all, what we do? We start from here, 1 and 2. Okay, 1, 2. We have done 2. Now from the next finger, that is this, here we have to start again counting 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have done. We first count number 2 on fingers like this, 1 and 2. Now from the next finger we will continue. We will start counting 3, 1, 2 and 3. So now what is the total number? So let's start counting here from where we have start the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number is 5. Okay children, so in this way you will start counting on your finger. It is very easy. Hopefully it is very easy, and maybe it will take time to understand it. So if you do practice daily, if you do sums on your fingers, it is quite easy to solve it. Okay, now today we will start our work. We have done in book. Now we will start our work, written work in workbook. This is your workbook, chapter number 3, addition. Let's start with question number 1. Write the resulting number of stars when one star is added to the number of stars drawn below. So here we have one group, and then we again have one group. So in the first group we have to count the stars, then in the second group we have count the next star. Okay, so if we start from number A, number 1, let's start 1, 2, 3. 3, then in 3, one will add, one star will add, it becomes 4. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 star, 9. Okay, now next is 1, only one star is there. So, and here we have to add one more star. It becomes 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So in this way you have to solve this question. Okay, you can count first group on your fingers. Okay, then you have to count again number 1 star, then you have to count it totally all together, and you have to write down here the answer. Okay, now in the next page, number 2 number question. The question is like that: how many are all together? Count and write the numbers. Children, here we have a box. In box, 2 groups were there, and there is plus sign also. So when we plus both of the groups, we got the total number of things. Okay, and this thing we have to write down in the mention blanks places. So start. So in the first group, first of all there are 3 pencils, 1, 2 and 3. So what do we write here? Here we have to write 3. 3 pencils added to 2 pencils gives 5. So nothing you have to do here. Only you have to count the pencils one by one, and you have to write the given blanks. This blank goes to this group, this blank goes to this group, and this blank goes to this group. So here they want to say, the questions mean to say, if we add these hands with these hands, what do we get? This is our answer. Okay, so in this way you have to count. So in the next question, so this blank goes to here, this blank goes to here, and this blank goes to here. So you have to count caps one by one and write down the exact number in the given blanks. Okay, so here we have done. Now same here, these all questions goes to question number 2. Now question number 3. Read the question, mark for the correct answer and wrong for the incorrect answer. Okay, let's start do it. 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. It means here we have 2 sums, but the answer is same. So we have to count them one by one. If the answers will same, it means it is correct. Okay, So what you have to do, first of all you have to count 2 and then 3. So if we count 2 and 3, it comes 5. Okay, good. Now count 4 plus 1. So if we count 4 plus 1, then also 5 will come. It means both the question have the same answer, that is 5. So we have to tick. Okay. Now in the next question, 7 plus 1. So let's start. 7 plus 1, 1. So what you have to do, you have to count on your fingers. Okay, so let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 we have done. Then 1. So count how many lines will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we go, 8 will come the answer. Now next, 6 plus 2. So if we add 6 and 2, what is the answer? Okay, let's start again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2, 1, 2. So here also 8, but the answer is 9, so it is wrong. So in this way you have to count the numbers given in the boxes, then you have to check the answer with the given answer. If the answer is wrong, you have to cross it. If the answer is same, right, you have to tick it. Okay. Now same here, these questions also belong to that. You have to count the numbers. If the answer will be exact with the given answer, it means it is right, so you have to tick it, and if it is wrong, you have to cross it. Now match the following. It is very easy, and I think you are happy to do it. So here we have numbers here, then we have balls here. So we have to join the correct answer with the correct number of balls here. So if now here we have first number, that is 4 plus 5. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So if we count these two numbers, what we get? 9. So let's check where is the 9 number in the given balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. No. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes. So here we have to join it. ठीक है बच्चों, तो इस तरह से आपने ये क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. मे भी कुछ कंफ्यूजन है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. फिलहाल आपको काम यहाँ तक करना है, अपनी वर्कबुक में करना है, और कोशिश कीजिएगा खुद करना है. आप इसके लिए अपनी पेरेंट्स की हेल्प ले सकते हैं. ओके, तब तक के लिए हम अगले वीडियो में आगे के नए काम से मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.